Namaste. Welcome to Desi Videshi. In today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to prepare paneer sandwich in 5 minutes. At days when you feel lazy to cook, this is a perfect hit. Now for starters, apart from 4 slices of white bread, you need to take a cup of grated paneer. You can either take fresh paneer or also use frozen one. I have used fresh paneer. But if at all you are using frozen paneer, you need to first take 1 cup of paneer cubes and add 1 cup of water to it. Then microwave it for 5 minutes. You can then sieve the water and then grate it as shown here. Then you need to add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped capsicum, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped onion, 2 teaspoons of finely chopped coriander, 1 green chilli chopped, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of grounded pepper. Now mix it all together in a bowl. Now take a slice of bread and add the mixture just like this. You need to add the mixture generously. Now put the set of the bread in the sandwich maker. For people who are health conscious, applying butter is optional. Once the green light is off, it indicates that your sandwich is ready. You need to take it out carefully. Yoo-hoo! Your sandwich is now ready. You can serve it hot with tomato dip. I hope you like this recipe. Try it out and let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. Press the bell icon for recent updates. Thank you and have a good day.